Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, this is an update on the road construction here near Amasaman. This is the Ensawam Road, right? Ensawam Road?
Yeah, going towards Circle.
Okay, we're going towards Circle. So coming from our place, and you know, I wasn't gonna do a video right now because I'm having a hard time getting my videos uploaded, but hey, eventually. It's April 1st, guys, so just so you know right now, the time I'm videoing this, I don't know how long it's gonna take to upload. Like I said in a previous video, which you may or may not have seen, I don't know what's going on with my videos uploading very slow to YouTube. So I'm gonna work on that, the Lord willing, tomorrow, and see what's going on. See if I can upload it from my MacBook or something like that instead. I don't know if it's the internet, because it seems like I'm able to watch things from the internet and everything fine. So it seems like it's just uploading. So I don't know. Here we are. Here's what the construction is looking like. We got the water to keep the dust down. Another car coming. All right, so this is the filling station. So they're really moving along, guys. They really, really are. Look at this. They've already cast concrete here. I haven't seen that. I have not seen that. So that is going to be the road going overhead. I'm guessing this will be a circle around here. As you guys saw on the picture I've showed you before, that was it there. So if you're able to pause the video, go back and blow it up. That was just a quick glimpse of it. But I think there will be a circle over there. So depending on where you need to get to, these are the access roads on the side. There will be one over on that side. And then I'm guessing all this will be up. The road will gradually come down. They're really moving quickly. I see a lot of progress. So I'm just gonna share with you guys as we're going a little ways. We're going to drop the eggs off. We got Frida is here, looking beautiful. Nana, looking handsome. Going to drop the eggs off. And of course my husband's always here, looking handsome. And here we go. Taking the eggs and giving you guys a little overview of the road project going on here. So they divert us down this way. So the whole middle section they're working on. Now we're coming, I remember before we were on the other side of these high tension poles. So now we're on this side. So this over here will be the access road. They have not constructed the gutters yet though. And there's another water truck up ahead. So that actually really works, guys. It makes, you know, your car get dirty and everything, but it's a construction road construction area, so it's gonna get dirty. When it's all finished, we won't worry about that. So it really keeps the dust down though. You see, they're packing it, they're filling and packing this area. So I'm guessing this is where, you know, if you're up on that bridge, then you'll come down here to this level. Everybody wants to pass the water. They just pump it from the stream. So it's not like you're really getting a good car wash. It's dirty water. It's not clean water, which it makes sense because you don't want to pay for clean water just to pour it on the ground. But they pump it from one of the streams that's around here. This is quite a big stream, like a small river maybe. Somebody's got eggs. A lot of eggs moving around. So this is how it is, guys. You see on this side over here is the gutter. That's where the gutter will be. And put this down. Okay. I can show you guys better. Get my hands free. And then this side, you see how it is at the bottom here. They're going to be filling the road. This is my guess. I didn't talk to anybody, but they'll be filling the road up to that point. And then here's the China Mall. My husband said last time he went there, they weren't like standing over top of the cashiers like they were that first time we went. So it was a little bit better. You see the gutter they made over here? Yep. So I guess the road, I don't know if they're going to make it higher or how that's going to work out, but we'll see eventually. See, they have another crosswalk going on over here. Beginning to build that. All the iron rods they have in the walls, so it's not just a regular wall, guys. It's solid, very, very solid. Same with the crosswalk. So see, this will be another overhead walkway. They've done well putting those provisions in place to keep people from crossing the highway. Okay, we're getting to Accra now. So yeah, they got a lot of work going on. It's gonna be really, really nice when it's all finished, guys. And like because of the new highway. So here's the market that keeps getting pushed back. As you can see, they're losing space because it's the road the road, it was originally planned for the road, but when nothing happens for so many years, people encroach on it, and then, yeah. So there's the market, guys. I haven't been here in a while. I have not been to the market in a while. We have been hustling, and yeah, a lot going on. A lot going on in the farm, a lot going on at the mini farm, just a lot going on. Helping you guys, yeah, really, really blessed. Really blessed. So we haven't ventured out here, really. We're finding our things locally. It's more expensive, guys. I got little cabbage, head of cabbage for 6 CDs. Definitely, and I bought 2. Definitely not.
The plantain is going down.
Oh yeah, the plantain's going down now. Yeah. They don't have as much.
So now it's gonna be more expensive because we don't have enough.
Yeah. And ours will be coming soon?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get more for it. The market isn't flooded. So watch out for that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, the road project, you see how it is. So the road will be up. It has to be up. See, those are the holes for the drainage, I'm guessing. But this is the gutter, so the road has to come way up so that the water on the road can flow into the gutter. So yeah, this is just temporary right here. 4 lanes, okay. Yeah. If it isn't, I'm sure they'll make it 4 here. 4 lanes, that's a game changer, guys. A game changer. Like I said, the prices in this area of Accra will go up a lot because of this road. They're going up anyway, but because of this road, will make it go up even more. And the thing is Accra is so saturated in the popular areas, right? So naturally, that's what happens. As it expands and people can't even find land to buy inside Accra, the outskirts, the suburbs, you know, really will, the prices will skyrocket. The thing I like about our particular area is you still have the greenery and everything, so it doesn't feel like inside the city, you know, with just cement everywhere. So I really like that. You have a community, but you also are close to everything. But like my husband always says, Accra is where everything is. Everything. You know, so you really want to be close to it, unless you're okay with an hour drive to, if you feel like going out to eat, if you feel like going to the beach, if you're okay with a couple hour drive to get there. And you know, the roads out that way are not good when you're going like the farmland area, when you're going out there. So if you're okay with that, if you're okay with that, it's fine. It's fine, but make sure you ask the questions and see what's important to you. I always say that. So for us, my husband wanted us to be, I don't like the city personally, but my husband wanted us to be close enough. So we have the best of both worlds where we're at, which it works great for us. We can easily get into Accra, especially when this road is done. And they're doing a great job. It's going to be a game changer. And then you see how it looks here. Now when you get deep into Accra, you're going to see there's not much greenery, right? I mean, there's no room for it. There's some plants for sale. But you see how they're doing, they're really moving on this road. If you guys go back on the channel and search some of the early ones I did for you, you'll see the difference. That's where we have it again, guys. I usually give you I started a little bit later this time, but I usually take you up to these signs right here.
So we're going to enter now.
Yes.
So this is the Pokwasi overhead.
Okay, Pokwasi overhead.
That is Pokwasi.
We are going to Adenta. So you see how the roads are here.
So you see that's Awoshi, Kwabrenya, and the other one. So you go this way, you go into Awoshi. You go this way, you go into Kwabrenya.
And you see how the roads are, guys. They make you think they don't have roads like this in Africa. They have some pretty sophisticated roadways. They do. Not just here in Ghana. Check out some of the other countries and do your research, guys. Don't just take what they say. Do your research. Now with YouTube and everything, I mean, What Amaya's done a great job showcasing different countries. There's a lot of people have gone to different countries. Just take a look. We are blessed in this day and age to be able to, you know, turn on YouTube and see what's going on around the world. All right, guys, so that is our update on the road construction. I hope you enjoyed it. We are going to continue on and enjoy the rest of our day. I hope you guys get these videos soon, and we'll work on seeing what the problem was with the uploading, and hopefully we can get past that and continue to get those uploaded for you guys when they're supposed to, and not have it tell me it's going to take 6,384 more hours to upload. Alright, guys, contact us if you have any questions. Make your plan. Think about what is important to you. What's important? Is it important for you to be close to things that you need to access, or are you okay with a couple-hour drive, 2-3 hour drive to get somewhere? You know, just decide. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go at that. Till next time, God bless you.